Another area to look at during our visual walk-around inspection is the operator's cab. Here we are looking at all of the glass to make sure that there are no cracks. We also want to look at the condition of the windscreen wipers. If your cab is equipped with any spotlights and mirrors, these also must be in a good condition. We also look at the door handles and locks and hinges, as well as the mounting of the operator's cab to the chassis. There are 2 reservoir bottles, and these contain the water for the windscreen washer. We want to ensure that this is also adequately topped up. Should your unit be fitted with an air conditioner, then we want to ensure that the condenser radiator is also not clogged. Moving around, if your equipment has a warning beacon light, then this will be checked during our functional check. As with most Manitou telehandlers, they may come with a variety of attachments at the end of the telescopic boom. In this particular case, we have a forklift carriage, and again here there are a number of pins and bolts and brackets which must be properly secured. At the same time, we have the attachment data plate, and the information on this data plate must be clearly legible, as it gives us important information about the capacity and rating of the attachment. We also have our fork locking pins, which is used to lock the forks once they are in a particular position. We want to look at any welds, make sure that nothing on the carriage is damaged or cracked. We also want to have a look at the condition of the forks. Now, all forks are provided in sets, and should you have the need to change a damaged fork, it is advisable to change them as a complete set. We also see that both the forks contain their particular markings. And again here the information must be clearly legible. We also want to look at the overall condition of the fork, that there are no visible damages. The fork tines must not be bent, and there must be no cracks or excessive wear. Again here we're looking at all of the articulation points and lubrication points as well. If your carriage comes equipped with a load backrest, this must also be properly secured and in place. As we continue on our visual inspection, we come around to the operator's cab, and here we will find the data plate for the machine containing the model, year of manufacture and serial number, as well as some other information relevant to the machine. Inside your machine you'll also find a safety placard that has detailed descriptions of all of the safety checks to be performed, as well as all of the functions of the various operating controls and levers. In the interior of the cab, we want to make sure that there's no loose items or obstacles which could obstruct the pedals. We have our brake pedal, accelerator, and to the side of the operator's seat we have our park brake. The operator's seat, we want to ensure that all of the adjustment levers work, and we want to check the seat belt latch as well as the condition of the seat belt and the seat. When climbing into your machine, always remember to use 3 points of contact.